Hello everyone, welcome again. In this tutorial, I'm going to continue the Katalon Studio tutorial, and in this tutorial, we will see how to. In last tutorial, we've seen like how to read data from an Excel file to Katalon Studio, and in this tutorial, we will see if we want to store some response from the website or from the application, and I want to store like data in Excel sheet or some other sheets. So how to perform that activity using that Katalon Studio. So for that, I'm going to create a complete new project here. If you don't know how to create a project in Katalon Studio and how to configure this kind of thing, so you can watch the previous videos from starting. You will easily understand how to create a project and how to set up the Katalon Studio tutorial for automation, application automation. So for creating a new project, just go on file, click on new and then project and create a new project. So project name will be write data, read data from, okay, write data in Excel. The complete new project is going on, is creating by Katalon Studio, and the project name you can see write data Excel. And before that, I'm going to show you that post on the code1.com a complete write all the code provide in the code1.com article. You can I will provide the link in description box. You can check from there. So just open that code1.com. Okay, just go inside this code Katalon Studio tutorial, and you can see here uh, the post about it. Read and write data from the Excel in Katalon. So already I recorded a demo on how to read data from the Excel in Katalon Studio, and in this video we are going to focus on how to write data. So Katalon is still Katalon at the 5 version is launched, and it's not provide any kind of feature like any kind of custom keyword which is helpful to directly read the data. So we will use some custom keywords. So if you don't know how to create a custom keyword in Katalon, so you can watch the previous video how to create a custom keyword. In this tutorial, I have already that keyword, and I'm going to just show you a demo how it will work and try to explain the code also. So you can see project is ready. So right click on the project and create a new test case. The test case name will be tc1. I'm going to record some object here to capture the activity. So the activity will be like, the test case will be like, we are going to launch an application, the demokatalon.com, and at that application we are going to just click on that button, and we want to get the data of that button, and want to store on that Excel file. So for that the browser is launching, so we need to store that data. So I'm going to create an Excel file. So just create an empty Excel file and save this file at some location at your machine. So I'm going to store it on desktop. So just save as, and go and choose your desktop, and you can store inside your directory also. So inside the G directory, and to store it, name will be demo. Okay, it's need a permission, so you can store in data also. So demo. So the file is created successfully. Just close that file, and browser is launched successfully. And just I'm going to click on that button, and the button object is stored here, and we will try to capture the data of that button just for a demo purpose, and click on stop, and okay. So you need to store that object in object repository. Click OK. It's done. So now we need to get a text here, so we can use that string data type string s1 equals to, or I'm going to show you that exactly what is the script here. So you just need to write that script. I'm going to copy paste that complete script, copy and paste. Here you can see the browser is open, then it will navigate to a particular browser, and we will use that webui.getText method and pass that object here. So the object when user will be click on that button, or automation will click on that button, the text of button will be get, and it will be stored in the result. Then we will call that custom keyword. So we need to create first the custom keyword. So just right click on keyword and create a package. So package name will be mypack, and inside that mypack keyword we need to create a keyword. So you need to remember, just if you are going to copy this script, just keep the name same. So the keyword name is write excel, and click on ok. Here the complete code, and here is the script. So you need to just copy that complete script and paste here, and you can see this keyword says like we are using that file input stream, and it's the script created by the Selenium tool. So you need a Selenium library. You don't need to import library, but we can use that packages in POI libraries, Selenium POI libraries, Apache PSI libraries. So you just need to import that some packages here, and here we are using the file input stream. Or one thing is, you need to pass the path of that particular drive where you are going to store that file. So my file is stored in data, so there is a file demo, so I need this path. So I'm going to just change that path F, and the file name is demo, and remove this, and I need to pass the same path here. You can see. So we are creating a new object of input stream and going to pass that parameter here, file parameter. And next is we need to create an object of a class XSSF workbook, and create a pass and pass that input stream there. And now we need to communicate the particular seat in the file. So we are creating a one instance of that seat also, and you can manipulate your code according to your requirement by using that cell, and get cell, get value, get count, and all that. If you don't know, you can just check the methods how the cell scripting work in how the workbook class, what is the methods of workbook class, or how to input output file input output operation is work in Java. So I think as everything is done, and we already passed that custom keyword dot my package write excel, and demo key is a keyword here, demo key, and we are going to pass that string here. You can see we are going to pass that result here, and we are going to catch that result in this name variable, and we are going to just writing the data in demo file. And you can see this file is empty. You already have seen. I'm going to show you once again. File is empty, and we are going to just run our code, and you're going to check it's working or not. So to run that project, just select your test case and click on run button. The project will be executed. So you can see browser is launching, and okay, URL is loaded, and click on button and browser will close. Just click on button and browser is, you can see here in the log statement, and all that statements are executed successfully. It's showing green, so good. Now I'm going to check that file if some entries are there or not. So you can see the make appointment, the text of the button is here stored. If you want to do it multiple times, you can do, or you can manipulate the code, and the video is only for the demo purpose. If you want to do more operation, you can manipulate this source code. Thank you so much for watching. If you like